floods are common things to happen these days. There are many causes that made this event happen. What's your thought about it, Silmi?
I agree. Things like global warming, litter, made a continuous rain into the beginning of flood days. In fact, floods are the most common disaster in Indonesia. Now, we will know more from our reporter, Ransiki.
Alright, right now I'm currently with one of the flood victims, Yumnaa, who will share the more details about the situation. So, where do you live, ma'am?
I live down the block.
What about the condition of the neighborhood right now?
The water is rising each minute.
How has the water reached?
It has reached up to my stomach.
How long have you lived in this neighborhood?
I lived here about 4 years or so.
Does this flood happen often?
Yes, it happens every rainy season, but this one's the worst one by far.
Right, thanks for the information. For the last question is, what do you think that caused this flood?
Probably clogging or extreme weather, but there's a lot of reasons why floods happen, such as citizens who won't cooperate on their waste disposals, high water levels in drainage channels due to rain, and I think those are the main reasons.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from KAYSS, Purbaya Islamic School, Indonesia.
According to data in good states, there were 1,005 flood disasters in Indonesia that recorded on 2025 from January to October. Many civilians became the victim as they had not received any warnings or notifications due to the limited technology from the local government to monitor water levels. Flooding is also caused by the human activities such as deforestation and waste disposal in rivers.
The tools that we use are 1 Wemos, 2 buzzer, 3 pump DC, 4 DC pump hose, 5 adapter, 6 LCD, 7 jumper cables, 8 wire sensors.
FASS will detect a flood in the sewer, and when it reaches to the sensor, it will alert. This product will use water sensor to detect the water when it touches the sensor. And WEMS, as its motherboard, will send the information to Telegram that have a special chatbot to inform its level and also give signal to activate the water pump that help the flood water to flow to the main sewer or nearby river.
When the sewer water level rises, the wire sensor will detect the water level. When it reaches a dangerous level, it will send a notification to our phones and trigger the alarm on the flood detector. It will also turn on the pump and it will transfer the water inside the sewer into a flowing river, ergo preventing the flood from happening.
For future development in 2027, we plan to finish our prototype, and in 2028, we plan to build a workshop for the people around Purbaya Islamic School. And in 2029, we plan to register for copyright. And then in 2030, we plan to register tenders for local government.
Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.